The $1,000,000 question is, are others making money selling on Amazon? And whether or not you will succeed on Amazon largely depends on you, depends on your product, it depends really on how fast you move. It depends also on your profit margins. So a lot of it is up in the air because it does depend on your product, and that's kind of why we spend a lot of time on product research. And the question sometimes get asked is, are people really making money on Amazon? And 100% they are. There are seminars. I mean, I go to the Canton Fair every year, and I bump into a whole bunch. We have round tables where we sit down with other Amazon sellers, and some of these Amazon sellers have only been on the platform for 12 months or even less than 12 months and are doing great volume, great turnover. And you got some people who have been doing it a little bit longer, and obviously some are doing more, some are doing less. So people are making money on Amazon. As per Market Pulse, the website out there that does statistics, the one such statistic is over 2 million sellers are selling on Amazon right now. So people are making money on Amazon, but whether or not you will make money on Amazon largely comes down to the product that you choose, the profit margins involved in that product, and really, if you're not going to do anything, if you're going to sit at home and watch Netflix or Stan TV, then you're not going to get anything off the ground anyway, right? So you do actually have to get off the couch and actually follow through and do stuff and actually find products, contact suppliers, get it on Amazon. And you've got to actually be proactive and start thinking, how can I build this product to be a brand on Amazon, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.